Well, hello. This is Lee again with Stutzman Brothers here on site in beautiful Zephyr Hills on a nice warm morning. Coming into springtime and great time to plant new trees. This is a replacement tree, nice live oak, 2-inch caliber, and we're going to put that here. A couple little things to remember. We want to dig the hole a little bit bigger than the pot, so that the roots have a quick quick time to grow into the surrounding soil. Don't want to plant it too deep. Want to keep in mind this flare right here. You can't see it on this nursery tree too good, but we have a good spot right here. Don't want to plant it any deeper than it's planted in the pot. Want to water it in. Make sure there's no air pockets underneath or surrounding it, and I'm going to put a little organic soil around it this time, because I'm fairly certain that the soil here is pretty poor and compacted. So we're going to water it in, put a little bit of compost around it, plant it at the right height, and then stake it up so it doesn't fall over, and keep it watered nice for a while. Also, don't fertilize. No need to fertilize when you put it in the ground this time, unless you had some real slow release stuff that you were gonna, maybe like a six month stuff that you were gonna put in the soil, but unnecessary. We can fertilize it in a little while once the rainy season comes and it gets established a little bit better, and that'll be the time to give it a good jump start for the spring. Wait till the new leaves start, with new foliage plumes out and whatnot. So let's get it planted, and then we'll come back.
Got my boots in the dirt and the sun on my back, old red shovel and a well-worn track, sweat on my brow but I'm grinning wide. There's a little bit of treasure in this countryside.
Well, we got it planted. Looks pretty good, nice and straight, I think. The ground was really hard and compacted. I'm glad I brought a little bit of soil, some compost with some microbes. Hopefully that'll help to loosen it up a little bit, give it a little bit of room to expand. I didn't dig the hole extra big, but got quite a few inches around the whole thing. Was able to pack some compost in there, put a little bit of water on it. I'm going to have the client make sure and soak this thing down. They have a hose that'll come out here, so that'll help out a bunch. And as you can see, the level, so once there's a little berm around there, but this ground and this ground is about even, and you can see the flare right where it was coming out of the pot is in the right spot. So the little berm around there will level out. Hopefully I can get them to mulch it, keep it nice and watered, and it will really help to get it established, especially this growing season once it starts to rain. The ground around here is really compacted, but there's nowhere on the property that's not. It's a commercial property and has had a lot of action. So we'll give it the best chance we can. So anyway, hope some tidbits helped, and thanks. Until next time.